So what we got here is a Mazda CX-5 now installed with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So it's a 2023 model, brand new. So as you can see, if someone tries to start the car, so the code, the vehicle will not start. It's fully immobilized. So what you got to do when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code to disarm the system. It will be fully customizable, so you can enter whatever you want, but we'll let you know what buttons you can use. So if you enter the code now, 1 2 3 4, 2 flashes from the indicator lights, and now you can turn the vehicle on. So if you want to protect your vehicle with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser, see the link down below. Give us a call on 028 554 5554. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.